Alright, let's get into this unboxing. I do have my trusty knife, my Cutco pocket knife. And, let's rip into this and see what we have. Pull out. Let's see the standard Pagani box, kind of a cardboard design. Let's see what's inside. You always have this this outer coating which you have to remove. Sometimes it's a little tricky to do that, so I might have to pause and come back to you in a second. Alrighty, so I got the box cover off the box, so no need for that anymore. And let's open it up and see what we have. Alright, well, how is this presentation? That's not good. That's not good either. That's really not good. And there's no watch. What the? Okay. Well, that was a horrible unboxing, and I'm gonna have to resolve this. I did order this through Amazon, and sometimes there's surprises. Ugh. Hey, thanks for watching this unboxing, but I told you it was going to be a horrible surprise, and I was horribly surprised that there was no watch. I am being sent a replacement watch through Amazon, and they will get that to me in a couple of days. Not the first time I had something like this happen. I had another time where the watch wasn't there. I didn't videotape it on that one. And then there was another one which I did videotape and put on my channel, where I got some stones instead. Crazy. So let me know if you've had any kind of experience like this with Amazon, and that'd be just interesting for me to know. But I will review it, and it won't be too long. So anyways, go ahead, click that subscribe button down below, and have a good evening, good night, good morning, whatever time it is. And I'll see you in that next watch review. Bye.